美國內布拉斯加州一個商場發生槍擊案，最少8人被槍殺，5人受傷，其中2人重傷。個大約20歲嘅槍手最後吞槍自殺。當地傳媒話，警方喺佢屋企揾到遺書，話佢要有風格咁死去。陳家珍報導。
事發之後，大批警員同救護人員到場戒備，警方將個商場封鎖，搜殺槍手。逃生出嚟嘅人都表現得好激動。一個女人逃出生天之後，隻手仲拎住十字架，不停咁震。事發喺內布拉斯加州奧馬哈一個商場，入面有130幾間店鋪。目擊者話聽到20幾下槍聲，見到槍手喺3樓露台向其中一個人頭部開槍。另一個人就話見到槍手喺百貨公司兒童部一語不發向天開槍。當時商場入面有好多人，佢哋立即逃生，情況混亂。
I was on my cell phone to a friend, and she said that someone was firing shots on the 3rd floor at the escalator. We had just gotten off the escalator on the 2nd floor.
We were probably in there 10 minutes, and then all of a sudden we heard all this yelling. And we looked out, and there were the police officers telling people to get out, raise your arms, and, come out of the building.
警方話事件中有10幾人中槍，多人傷重死亡。相信槍手只有1個人，佢之後被發現吞槍自殺，暫時未知佢嘅行兇動機。有線電視記者陳家珍報導。